kind of stinky. I know, I'm going to get all sleepy. Let's kind of do over. Smile. You give me a smile.
Do you think she has any clue that we are family?
She probably smells it.
Are these weird people?
Smells it on us. There's like respectable drooling going on. That's good. Oh,
Oops, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get up nice and close. Somebody make her smile.
Oh. You're kind of tired. Oh!
My goodness. My goodness.
Oh, you're so stinking cute. You just are.